Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on managing your digital assets. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Chainlink from your Ledger Nano X to Revolut in 2025. If you're holding Chainlink tokens on your Ledger and want to transfer them to your Revolut account for easier access or spending, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember, we're dealing with real money, so double-check everything to stay safe. First off, a quick recap. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that bridges smart contracts with real-world data, making it a popular crypto choice. Your Ledger Nano X is a secure hardware wallet, and Revolut is a handy app for banking and crypto management. Before we start, ensure you have your Ledger Nano X set up, the Ledger Live app installed on your computer, and a verified Revolut account with crypto features enabled. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. Make sure your device is unlocked and the Chainlink app is installed on it. If not, go to the Manager tab in Ledger Live and install it. Step 2. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Chainlink wallet. You'll see your balance there. Now, to withdraw, you actually need to send the tokens to your Revolut wallet address. Head over to your Revolut app, go to Crypto, select Chainlink, and copy your Revolut deposit address. It's crucial to use the exact address to avoid losing funds. Step 3. Back in Ledger Live, click on Send for your Chainlink account. Paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Don't forget to leave some for network fees, and review the transaction details carefully. Step 4. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the screen and pressing the buttons to approve. Once done, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, Step 5. Check your Revolut app to confirm the Chainlink tokens have arrived. If everything went smoothly, you're all set. Remember, always be aware of any gas fees involved in Ethereum-based transactions like Chainlink, and never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how to withdraw Chainlink from your Ledger Nano X to Revolut. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.